Yeah, it keeps doing that. Try again. It keeps doing that, but usually it'll start.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You as well.
Do you have a mask?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole, 2 A's and 2 E's. It's Saturday and we're carving pumpkins today. We're gonna have a few friends over. We've got some pumpkins. We're setting up. It's raining out, so as you saw, we're setting up a little like makeshift inside. We just got some white tablecloths and we put a white sheet underneath just so nothing gets on the rug. And we have some white tablecloths so it'll be easy cleanup. Dylan's taping it down because our heater's blowing it up. We moved the couch over there to open up room. Dylan's been cleaning all morning. He's been a great help. We got our pumpkins and Lily's pumpkin over here. Some candles that people can have. Knives, spoons, and then like the classic little carving kit things. I just got a few because I feel like you usually just end up using a knife and a spoon in your hands, but we have those. Over here I just got some little plates and napkins and straws, and then we have 4th of July silverware because that's all we had. I didn't even think of that. But yeah, I'm gonna get started making some, like, they're like pigs in a blanket. Should I start them now? No?
Yeah, I'm sure they don't take long.
Yeah. Maybe I'll like make them but not put them in the oven yet. We're gonna do like little pigs in a blanket, but they look like little mummies, so they're Halloween themed. But that's what we're doing this Saturday. I'm like kind of selfishly happy that we're doing it inside because then we can turn Notre Dame on at 2:30. Dylan's just shaking his head. Hi guys, it is Sunday now. Sorry I look so scary. I just put a mask on. It's like 12 o'clock and I had kind of like a slow morning. Just like did my planning for the week. Go check out that video if you are curious about how I plan my week. So I planned my week, cleaned up a little bit after having people over yesterday, like vacuumed and just tidied up. And yeah, yesterday was so fun. We did pumpkins and we had a lot of food, watched some football, but it was really fun, and then we just kind of chilled for the rest of the night. But I just wanted to come on here and end today's video. Today's just like a little self-care day, as you can see. Doing a face mask, just showered. I ordered new self-tanner. I went back to Loving Tan, but they didn't deliver it, so I have to go to the post office tomorrow because I wanted to do that today too, but that'll be tomorrow. Gonna watch the Patriots at 1, and Dylan's golfing right now. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. Sorry this is going on, but self-care, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole, 2 A's and 2 E's, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.